We celebrate Liaoning today on her 80th birthday. Let's take a journey back in time to a life filled with laughter, adventure, and boundless love. We celebrate a life truly well lived, and today we honor every chapter of her beautiful story through the years. Liaoning and her husband Roland shared tender moments and stolen kisses. From their youthful days filled with dreams to their golden years side by side. A romance that has only deepened with every passing year. Her heart first knew the profound love of a mother. With her own children, she built a foundation of strength and guidance. She is the rock of the family, the steady hand they could always hold, and through every challenge and every triumph, her unconditional love has been their constant guide. Her world expanded with the joy of becoming a grandmother, or as they lovingly call her, Lola. She cradles her grandkids and celebrates their milestones. She is their confidant and their biggest cheerleader. Her home is a haven of warmth, where her grandchildren have always found comfort and wisdom. Her life is a rich tapestry woven with the threads of enduring friendships. Friendships filled with laughter, shared secrets, and unforgettable moments with friends who have become family. At the very core of her world is her family. Family gatherings were, and still are, a cornerstone of her life, painting her days with the most vibrant celebrations and colourful memories. These photographs with her siblings, cousins, nieces and nephews show a woman surrounded by a whirlwind of chatter and love. She is the matriarch, the centre of their universe, a constant presence who brings everyone together with her warmth and grace. Her adventurous spirit took her far beyond her home, exploring the wonders of the world. Each trip was more than just a vacation. She collected memories that would last a lifetime. And now, a special message from family members who couldn't be with us today, but are here in spirit.
Happy birthday, Ate Liaoning. Ang wish ko sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng good health and have a long life and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Bye!
Hi Ate Liaoning! Happy birthday! Kaarawan mo ngayong araw na to, maging maligaya, successful, ang araw na ito sa iyong kaarawan. At naway maging matagumpay at alam kong masaya ka dahil kapiling mo si Kuya Roland, mga anak mo, apo mo na pinagdiriwang ang araw na ito. Big day mo ito, big day! Big day! Yay! Salamat po. Yun lang. Ingat kayo. Bye. Thank you.
Aloha!
Happy birthday, Lola! I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. We miss you. See you soon.
Haulali lahanaw. It means happy birthday in Hawaiian. Wishing you more birthdays to come, Lola. Take care. Shaka. Aloha mahalo.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Lola. Sana enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon and sana marami ka pang birthday. And sana next time dito ka na mag-birthday and mabisita mo kami. And happy birthday and ingat kayo dyan palagi ni Lolo. Lucas, how about you? Say something to
Thank you for loving us, Lola. Have a great big day.
Oh, how about you, Nico? You say happy birthday, Lola. Nico, can you say happy birthday? Bye-bye, Lola. Ingat. Flying kiss.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola!
La, happy birthday! Kahit anong gawin ko, pilit naiiyak talaga ako. Ito yung first birthday mo na wala kami. Alam ko naman kilala mo ko iyakin, kaya hayaan mo na. Sana
enjoy mo yung birthday mo palagi kahit wala kami dyan. Sana palagi kang malakas, lagi kang healthy, malayo sa sakit. Nilook forward namin palagi na magkasama-sama tayo ulit. Makita ka namin ulit pag punta namin dyan, pagbalik namin sa Pilipinas. Sana mas matagal pang pagsasama nyo ni Lolo. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng prayers mo. Ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit ako naging nurse. Isa ka sa mga tao na nasa likod nun. Kung bakit na-achieve ko kung ano yung goal ko sa life ko. Maraming salamat, La.
Hindi na ako kasali.
Happy birthday, Lola Luning. We wish you good health and long life. At sana po makapasyal po kayo ulit dito. Or kami po yung makapunta naman po dyan. God bless you po always.
Happy birthday!
Hi Lola, happy birthday. We're really sorry we can't be there to celebrate with you, but we had a great time when you and everyone else was here in Canada recently. One of my fondest memories was always going to Tim Hortons after church, and you love to order the bagel. So I hope to see you very soon, and I hope you have a great birthday. Bye!
Hi Lola, happy birthday. Sorry we can't be there right now, but we'll keep you in our prayers. The fondest memory I have with you is the long drives we had together, especially when my sister was driving. You know how I was like when you saw her. Again, happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Nay, and I wish you a happy birthday. Many more to come. I wish you good health and happiness. And masaya kami lahat nakapagbakasyon kayo recently na kasama namin kayo, kasama ng mga bata. And I hope you had a good time. Again, happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nay! Pasensya na hindi kami nakarating this year. Pero sinelebrate na naman natin yung birthday mo nung nandito ka. My fondest memory of you is always na alam mo when there's something going on sa aming magkakapatid. Lagi ka nandyan to say, kumusta na? Anong nangyayari? At hindi ko rin makakalimutan yung generosity mo. Maraming salamat, Nay. I hope more birthdays to come. Good health para sa inyo ni Tatay. And see you next year. Love you, Nay.
Again, we want to greet you. Happy 80th birthday, Leoning.